The National Institutes of Health published a study in the American Journal of Psychiatry looking at the hardwiring of brains in children who had ADHD. And the reason why this is a big deal is because it was a pretty big study. Now, the study came to the conclusion that there is more wiring in place in young brains that have ADHD. That wiring translates to nerve cell networks. That doesn't mean it's wrong necessarily, but why it might be harder for their brain to send a clear signal about a task like sitting still or following instructions. Particularly because the altered wiring is occurring in places of the brain that we know help impulse control and control attention. Okay, back to why this was a big deal of a study. There have been other studies done in the past on people who have ADHD. Usually when it comes to children, that's just maybe a couple of hundred at best. This looked at nearly 8,000 young children, and that means more power in the study because you can draw more meaningful conclusions from the data.